Val Vacante, VP of Solutions Innovation at Dentsu. My role is all about creating new products, productized services, and also working with the world's most beloved brands to help them really uncover the white space, what's new, what's next, and help them stay a step ahead. I am going to talk with you all about intelligent messaging today. Intelligent messaging is our end-to-end solution that accelerates those one-to-one conversational experiences, and we do that through AI amplified assistance, but also we cannot forget the human connection. No surprise to anybody in the room here, right? Consumers are expecting more, they're demanding more every single day. A couple of big numbers here for everybody. There are 1 billion people who message Meta's businesses on Meta's platform weekly. 50 million messages go unanswered daily. So think about that if you're marketers in the room, customers desperately wanting to connect with you, and they're simply not getting answered.
Yeah, I have to repeat that. 50 million messages go unanswered daily. When you said that in our prep meeting, I almost fell over.
Yes. Another big one, so brace yourself, right, Janine? There's $780 billion that's left on the table from brands who are not providing those simple experiences. The good news is, we don't want to end on a downer, right? The good news is, those brands who are making those connections, they're seeing 140% increase. Now, we'll dive into a quick video here.
Dentsu brings together a full suite of solutions designed to accelerate one-to-one customer experiences with conversational messaging, AI-amplified assistance, and human connection. How are brands accelerating one-to-one conversational experiences? With intelligent messaging, go from campaigns to conversations, extend media to CRM, launch AI-powered conversations through almost any media imaginable. QR codes, in-store signage, event activations, websites, traditional media, and more. Plus, with multi-language features, extend your reach and connect in your language of choice. Provide personalized AI-powered product education, product recommendations, and promotions tailored to customers' unique tastes and choices. Gather customer insights and qualify leads through AI-powered conversations. Leverage your brand's personality and existing content in a one-to-one way. Stay connected with product announcements, tips and tricks, how-tos, loyalty rewards, and shoppable moments. Amplify assistance with AI-powered conversations and our human-powered team 24/7. Increase sales, customer satisfaction, and lifetime value from discovery to loyalty. Innovative brands, schedule a demo today.
All right, you guys pumped?
Yeah, Val, first of all, I'm totally blown away by your stats, and talk about making AI really amplify personalization. It's really exciting.
So a lot of people ask, well, how do you realize these experiences? And we really do that in 3 key ways. One, at Dentsu, we have the Global Meta Messaging Alliance. That allows us to give our clients first look at those alpha and betas before anyone else. We also have phenomenal technology partners like Google, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Salesforce, Adobe, and the like. So really powering those experiences. And then lastly, the Dentsu Innovation Initiative is all about looking into the next 3 to 5 years into the future and finding those key partners that'll accelerate it today. And so what I'm really excited about is today, right now, we are pleased to invite Connectly, head office space, as well as Smarters into our Dentsu Innovation Initiative group. We're going to talk about the latest updates and features. So the first one here is campaigns to conversations. So really extending your media to CRM and doing it in your language of choice. For example, there's 100 million people on WhatsApp in the US. 40 million are US Hispanic. There are 95% of US Hispanic who are on WhatsApp. So this experience here I'm sharing with you all, again, something you're seeing before anyone else. This is actually launching later this month with IKEA. And basically you have your meta ad, it's click to WhatsApp. You click it, launches that one-to-one dialogue in language with personalized product recommendations, and again, that opt-in opportunity. In this case, it's the 6 days of 6 sleep essentials, where you receive a daily sort of product advice experience. The next one here you saw in the video is connected concierge. So those personalized promotions and product selection. Now, this is with our partner Differin, acne care brand. There's over 50 million Americans who suffer from acne every single year. There's 85% of people who are 12 to 24 who suffer from acne. So, you're talking about Gen Alpha, Gen Z in there, and 90% of those are gamers. All of that aside, when these sufferers go into the store, they're overwhelmed. Have you guys ever been down the acne care aisle? It is overwhelming. And so we wanted to alleviate that with Differin. We create an experience here where you can go in the store, scan the experience. It gives you one-to-one product advice. I know the font's tiny here, but it's talking about cleanser advice right there on the spot on the shelf. We created a multimodal experience too for personalized promotions. So for those people who buy Differin, they scan their receipt, they're offered up on the spot a Roblox power up. And we're actually going to talk about that more tomorrow in the creator space. And then just lastly, rounding it out here is personality to personalization. So really leveraging your brand's existing content and personality in a one-to-one way. And by the way, who does not love Chester Cheetah? So we're gonna dive into this experience here. That first panel there you're seeing, that is, if you go to Cheetos.com, you will see that content there. Existing website content. What we did is we powered it in a one-to-one conversational way via voice and text. So here you're seeing recipes, product promotions, again, already on the website, served into that one-to-one way. And lastly, rounding it out with those one-to-one messages, great for limited time offers, just brand engagement, new Cheetos recipes as well. That's a little about intelligent messaging.
That's great. And sorry I cut you off earlier, but that's so exciting, and it's like amazing that you're launching all of this here. So congratulations.
Thank you again, and thanks for having us.